Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I found another video I published a while ago that, considering it's one of the most watched, clearly has caught your interest, therefore needs an explanation. I was doing some experiments with the deployment of the legs of my rocket drone, please watch my videos about it, to simulate the deployment of the legs of the well-known Falcon 9, built by SpaceX. On Falcon 9 there are four major components. Two of them operate simultaneously. The latches on the top of the legs that hold the legs in place during the flight, and the pusher at the base of the latches. The landing legs of Falcon 9 operate mostly using gravity. Once they are unlocked, the pusher pushes the legs down. Inside the leg there is a crevice that fits a telescopic deployment arm that locks the leg in place. I've tried to build something similar, but as I always do, instead of make it simple, I've made the most complicated version of it. Sorry, my fault. Anyway, plans are available here. The second version of it was the simplest I ever made. The shafts of my rocket drone keep the landing legs in place during the flight using some permanent magnets. Once I've reached apogee, I can release them, activating the shafts of my rocket drone. At the bottom of the fuselage, I place very thin fins that, once the landing leg is deployed, create a sort of a triangular structure that increase the robustness of this type of landing legs. Not bad, huh? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.